Hey everyone, this is David from Trainday, and today I'm going to show you how to integrate Monday.com into Trainday. So we'll be able to create engaging employee training courses using our Monday.com data and Trainday. So here we are at Trainday.io. I'm going to go ahead and log in here. And what I want to do is go to integrations. I want to click on Monday, and we're going to install this integration. So over here, we're just going to authorize it, and we're going to connect. So now we are connected with Monday.com and Trainday. So what we're going to do now is go to courses, and we're going to create a course, and we're going to use it Monday information, right? So let's say, for example, here at Monday, right? I'm at my Monday dashboard, and I've got this board, Tacoma 2022, which contains some data on the things of maintenance that I need to perform on the miles, right? So let's say like a car dealership has this type of information, right? So we want to train our employees on this. So we're going to get our Monday boards. Here we have this one, and here's our data, right? So what we want to do is we're going to select all this data, right? We're going to use it, and the goal of our course is, right, we want to prepare our staff to explain the maintenance schedule, right? And we're going to say create the course, and let's just do 5 slides, right? So right now it's creating these content slides. It's going to have all types of information based on the data that we got from Monday.com, right? And then it's also going to create it towards the goal that we explained in the middle of creating our course, right? And then we're going to have an interactive quiz that's going to test out the retention of all the employees taking the course. And we'll be able to deploy this and monitor it pretty simple, right? So here we go. Here's our project. Let's click on it. Let's see what we get. It's going to give us like a generic design, but we're going to use a template to kind of personalize it. So here we go. Maintenance schedule. All right. So it's kind of breaking it down into different things. 5,000 miles, 10,000 miles, 15,000 miles, 25,000 miles. And see, it's giving us all this data that we really need. And then a nice conclusion. And then, of course, a nice quiz, right? Nice multiple choice quiz here, right? So what we'll do is we'll put a template on this one. Let's just let's go with this one, right? Let's say apply to all slides. You know, you can create your own templates, your own presenters, everything you can imagine, right? And then we'll also translate one into a different language. So here we go. These look nice and good to us. We'll translate this to Spanish. Boop, there we go. Everything's translated. The text on the screen, on the video, and the text here. You can even preview what it sounds like.
Hello, I am here to make your employee.
That looks good. We'll go ahead and generate this slide. That'll take about 10-15 minutes. You can keep generating more slides, right? As much as you need. And when they're all done, what you're going to do is go back to your dashboard, and you want to add your learners to this course. Save it. And then you can monitor the progress right here, right? So monitor the progress in the course and the quiz score at the end for each employee. So thanks for watching. Can't wait to see what you build with Monday.com and Trainday. I'll see you next time.